Welcome to Travel with Zan. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hynes Eagle 38 litre super lightweight backpack. This backpack is available on Amazon and I've included a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. Here it is next to my Osprey Fairview 40 litre for comparison. If you're curious about how these two backpacks stack up against each other, be sure to subscribe as I'll be doing a comparison video very soon. In this video, I'll show you the features of this 38 litre Hynes Eagle backpack, talk about its pros and cons, and demonstrate just how much you can fit inside. Also, keep an eye out for my cat. She loves trying to join in on the packing process in this video. I bought this bag in 2018 and after numerous trips it's still in great condition. The biggest pro of this backpack is definitely its weight, only 750 grams. This makes it a great option for flights, especially when most airlines, especially in Australia, require cabin luggage to be under 7 kilos. That lightweight is a game changer. It is approximately 33 by 20 by 50 centimeters or 13 by 7.9 by 19.7 inches in size, making it perfect as a carry-on compatible bag for most airlines. The shoulder straps are nicely padded and can be easily tucked into a padded back pocket, which helps make the bag even smaller and more compact for flights. A sternum strap is included to improve comfort and distribute the bag's weight when wearing it as a backpack. The biggest con, however, is a lack of waist belt, which means it may not be the most comfortable for extended periods of walking. I love this backpack for long weekends away, whether by car or plane. It's perfect for minimalist packing. This bag features great organisation with plenty of pockets. The front pocket has several slip-in pockets, a mesh-zipped pocket and pen holders. The front pocket features a laptop sleeve that fits 15-inch laptops and some ultra-slim 17-inch laptops. There is also a front zippered pocket for easy access to essentials. To demonstrate the spaciousness of the Hynes Eagle 38 litre backpack, I've used packing cubes in this packing clip. One cube holds 5 tops, another 4 pairs of trousers, 1 socks and underwear, and this one's PJs for easy access, while I also pack shoes, a cap, electronics and miscellaneous bag, and a toiletries bag. Laptop, iPad and Kindle. Packing using the packing cubes was simple and quick. As you can see, there's still plenty of room left for more items. It's the perfect travel companion for light packing and short trips, especially when you're looking for something compact yet functional. The backpack straps unclip simply and then can be pushed down into the padded area to stow away. This is especially useful if you're going to check your bag. The zippers are good quality and can be locked together with a padlock. Stay tuned for the full comparison with the Osprey Fairview 40 litre and hit like when you spot my cat trying to sneak in. Please subscribe to be the first to see my new content and help my channel grow. Thank you.